You and I in a little toy shop, buy a bunch of games and a new Xbox.
I will be showing you how to open your Xbox 360 console. So here it is, and the hard drive part is kind of hard to get out, but when you learn, it's easy. So I don't know if you can see this. Can move back. You need a flathead screwdriver. Taking this hole, you feel something, just try to pop that up, and there you go, it's up. So that's out. Just gonna put the rubber part back. So here we go. Now for the other part. You need a small flathead screwdriver, and it could be good to have two. I use it too. So start off with the power part and just press down the screwdriver. So here we go. Now you can see this thing is open. You have to turn your Xbox around and like this. There's the inside and the Xbox. Now we have to find a Torx size 10, I believe. Oh. So here we go. Okay, so here's the top part. It has memo. Yeah, this is the inside of the Xbox 360 console. Let's take out the DVD drive. So here we go. And from down of the way, we're gonna plug it out here. And remember, when you start your Xbox after doing this, taking out the DVD drive, whatever you do, don't be connected to Xbox Live, because you may get banned, and if you plug something in wrong, and that's bad, because Microsoft thinks you're modding your console. Probably that's what you're doing, but anyway. Okay, so for this part, to take off this plastic cover, just take your flathead screwdriver, put it in here, and gently take it up, and this will just pop off. And this is the ring of light board. It has 3 screws if you want to take it out for modding or something. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the fan, but you need to hopefully take a flathead screwdriver and do like I did. So here it's out. Just normal fan up. Here I have more of the inside. I'm gonna take out the fans too with a flathead screwdriver. So here we go. Oh, I'm gonna plug up the power so you can get it out of the box. Oh, be careful with this because you don't want to break this because it will be worse than ROV. So here's the fan. When you plug it back in, the stickers should be out. So it's a 4-pin connector if you wanna switch to another fan or something. Yeah. So I'm also gonna show you how to remove the board, the entire board. So now I have to find a small Phillips screwdriver. I believe I have one here. Give us a second, because I need to get the Ring of Light board off. So here we go. Small enough? No, it was too small. Damn you, screwdriver. Too small again. Oh, yeah, so sorry, this wasn't a Phillips head. This was Torx T8, I believe, so I can use my eBay screwdriver. So, yeah. And remember, I think Microsoft has done a special thing with these screws. I heard they were sensitive, so you need to have those back in to like play your Xbox. So don't lose this. So same size. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that over there and just gently pull the Ring of Light board off. And here it is. Have some tape here. I have no idea why. Yeah, it's gonna, yeah. And just flip the Xbox over and take your T8 Torx. Oh, it pops off. Okay, so here we go. We have all the screws out. Just grab something and gently, be careful with this. Pull the motherboard out of the case. Oh, this was hard. So here we go. Here's the side of the motherboard. Here's the X clamps that keeps the pressure on the motherboard. Here we have 4 round chips. You know, probably your Xbox would have some heat sinks or something on it. I have no idea why my Xbox doesn't have it. Maybe that's causing the ROD.